Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and log in into EveryDollar in your mobile device. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, what I want you to do is simply go ahead and open App Store and search for EveryDollar, just like that. And once you do that, simply go ahead and tap on the first application that is going to pop up right over here. So it's going to take a little while. There you go. Simply go ahead and tap on this application, download and install it onto your device and tap on open. Now, in order for you to log in, all you need to do is simply go ahead and tap on the sign in button on the bottom of your screen. And once you do that, it's going to take you to this pop-up window right over here. It's going to take a little while to log in. Finally, simply go ahead and enter all your email and your password right over here and simply go ahead and click on sign in. You can also go ahead and sign in with company SSO. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the